Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a profitable website with SiteGround step by step clearly. To build a profitable website with SiteGround, start by visiting SiteGround's homepage. Click on the Get Started button to begin the sign up process. Select a hosting plan that suits your needs, such as the Startup, RoBig, or GoGeek options. Consider your website's expected traffic and resource requirements when making your choice. After selecting a plan, enter your domain name in the provided field. If you don't have a domain yet, choose the option to register a new one. Fill in the required personal information for account creation. Review the account information, including your plan and any additional services. Choose your billing period, keeping in mind that longer terms often offer better discounts. Complete your payment information to finalize the purchase. Once your account is set up, log in to your SiteGround account. Navigate to the website section and click on Site Builder or WordPress to start building your website. If you chose WordPress, click on the Install button to set up WordPress on your domain. Follow the prompts to complete the installation process. Once WordPress is installed, access your new website by clicking the WordPress admin link. Log in using the credentials you established earlier. Familiarize yourself with the WordPress dashboard and its features. Select a theme for your website by going to Appearance and then Themes. Choose a theme that aligns with your website's purpose and branding. Customize your theme settings to reflect your style and needs. Add essential plugins to enhance functionality, such as SEO, security, and backup tools. Create key pages, starting with Home, About, Services, and Contact. Use engaging content and clear calls to action on each page. Ensure your website is optimized for mobile devices for better user experience. Set up Google Analytics to track visitor behavior and site performance. Regularly update your content and plugins to keep your website running smoothly. Leverage social media and email marketing to drive traffic to your site. Consider monetization options, such as affiliate marketing or selling products. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.